Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of underwater exploration with a look at the 4K VR underwater drone EVO standard robotic arm edition. This isn't just any drone. It's presented as a state-of-the-art tool designed to bring the ocean's mysteries right before your eyes. Perfect for both seasoned professionals and aquatic enthusiasts just starting out. Right off the bat, the immersive 4K video recording capability stands out. It captures footage with a high-resolution camera, promising an unparalleled visual experience of the underwater world in stunning detail and precision. Imagine seeing coral reefs or marine life with incredible clarity, almost like you're right there. Exploration range is key for any underwater vehicle, and this drone offers an extended operating range thanks to its 100-meter cable and a robust remote control system. This allows users to explore deeper areas that might otherwise be inaccessible. It's built to be durable and reliable too, designed to withstand temperatures ranging from a chilly -10 degrees Celsius all the way up to a warm 60 degrees Celsius, suggesting it can handle a variety of aquatic environments. Powering these explorations is a long-lasting battery. The drone is equipped with a powerful 9,000 mAh battery, providing up to 4 hours of exploration time on a single charge. That's a significant amount of time to capture footage, conduct research, or simply enjoy the view. Controlling the drone feels intuitive thanks to its FPV performance. It offers real-time, first-person view performance with seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing the operator to see exactly what the drone sees as it sees it. This real-time feedback is crucial for navigation and capturing the perfect shot. Physically, the drone measures about 15 inches long, 5.6 inches wide, and 13 inches high. It's constructed from plastic and comes in a clean white color. Included in the package are the battery and the camera ready for deployment. What truly sets this particular edition apart is the robust robotic arm. This feature adds a whole new dimension to underwater exploration and interaction. It's not just about seeing. It's about being able to interact with the environment, whether that's collecting samples, placing sensors, or perhaps even assisting with underwater tasks. The manufacturer, Selvia, positions this drone as ideal for a variety of applications. From marine research and underwater photography to recreational diving support and even assisting with fishing activities, its user-friendly design and advanced capabilities make it suitable for a wide range of users. Whether someone is monitoring marine life, exploring shipwrecks, or searching for lost items, this drone aims to be a reliable underwater companion. Ultimately, this underwater drone is highlighted by its combination of advanced technology and user-friendly features. The 4K VR capabilities provide that vivid, immersive experience, while the robotic arm adds practical interaction. Its sturdy build, extended battery life, and easy connectivity are designed to ensure a hassle-free and enjoyable experience for anyone looking to explore beneath the surface.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.